Everyone, this is Kika Vlog. Sa Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko muna ito reaction video ang Beanie Birds World Tour 2025 Funniest or Funny Moments Core Moments Compilation. So once again, let's all watch this. Mega love shout out kay Beanie Rhythmo. Yeah, Rhythmo. If I'm not mistaken sa kanyang video to. Ay, ano to? Anong atake? Ay, yes. Sorry. Kasi birthday ni Maloy. Ay, kinagat. Oh my god, I love the edits. Forever be grateful. What's up? Wait lang kasi natin. Parang masaya to.
Something happened to one of our members. Oh, I wonder who it could be.
Cute ni Mika. Ay, nawala si Mika kasi dumating si Aya. Charis. Yung nawala ka bigla sa momentum. I mean, gets niyo ba yun? Oh, tapos?
Sobrang cute pa daw na Erika.
Ay, atake. Atake. Eh, yes. Si Maloy talaga. Alam ko si Maloy talaga. Isa din siya sa mga nagpapa-enlight. Ay, grabe si Joanna. Eh, si Colette. Okay, OA line. Versus Billy Gwen. si Billy Gwen na introvert. Hindi mo kaya.
1 by 1 entry.
Okay.
Grabe, sana. Sorry, Makon.
Huwag sumisigaw. Sumisigaw talaga siya.
Sigaso, shaggy, shapopo.
Oh my god, the shaggy shapopo.
You might be
Okay. Ay. Nabitin ako. Ang ganda talaga ng shaggy pupo nila. Sa totoo lang.
Pull out ka dun.
Full out. Si Aya. Kasi si Aya na sobrang demure ng mukha niya. Alam mo yung parang hindi mo ma-imagine na gumaganyan si Aya.
We can't think it.
I mean, ang funny niya din kasi talaga.
Show tonight, but before anything else, why don't we introduce ourselves, girl? In British. London.
Ay, atake.
Hi everyone, I'm Malone.
I'm a lawyer. May naman sa Aya. Ay, Colette.
It's a beautiful night in London, isn't it, London?
Good night, Lanza.
I'm Sheena.
Atake. Atake. Hi, London. Very seductive ang atake niya. Very seductive. Di mo kaya. Ito na ba yung pinakamalaki kong screen? Okay, ito na yun.
I'm Nico. Nakaka-pressure naman yun. What's up, May?
What's happening? British accent.
It's Joanna.
Okay. Pwede. Eh. Diyos ko si Maloy. Atake si Maloy. Ha?
Ulit, kainit diris ba ba? Ay, mister kung saan akong paypay, ikaw pag yun akong kalibay.
Ay, atake. Eh, kung tayo talaga.
SOX. Oh, so smart. I got it. So sad. I don't want to hear that. Mali. I also have a question here in Chicago.
Chicago.
What's the chica?
What's the chica? Oh, Chicago, what's the chica?
Then yung tagas para makita namin. Yes! Grabe, yung vlog ng Bloom here in Chicago ay sobrang deep!
Ay,
Hindi pa tapos. Kasi deep ng dish nyo here! Ang hirap mag nagkarambol ang utak ko guys.
nagkarumble. Nagkarumble ang utak ko, guys. Nagkarumble ang utak ko, guys.
Yes, and I'll lean forward. Of course, yung tao magkaroon.
Ay, ano nangyari for today's video? Wait lang. Ano ba yan? Naputol pa. Wait. Okay na, ito na. Ano ba yan? Nakakainis, ito na.
Yes, and I'll lean forward.
Ay, hindi. The video itself talaga. The video itself talaga. Ito na.
A few inches later.
Yes. Bakit tumatawa si... Bakit tumatawa siya, Ming? Bakit? Anong meron? Nagkukurutan sila. Ay, nagkukulitan sila. Okay.
You got some soft lips and some pearly white. I wanna touch them in the dead of night. Your smile ignites just like a candlelight. That's when I know everything's alright. Nothing like ice cream.
Eh. Atake. Binicore. Maloycore. Cutie talaga ni Maloy. Anyways, there you go guys for today's video.